This is our 2021 Christmas home tour. I'm excited. Um, the idea that I had in my head somewhat came to reality. However, the space, the way that it is right now, JB and I and the kids, we're loving it. It's cozy, it's livable, it's functional, and through the entire process, I was able to complete like this space just by taking our time to find the pieces. So I'm not gonna keep this intro long, but moving forward, okay, the goal, the theme for this channel is don't let your budget limit your creativity. Take your time, be creative, and create a space that you enjoy, that your family enjoy, not what nobody else think. Once you love it, that's all that matters. So I'm going to start off with the entryway table, which honestly I am so loving. I'm so proud of myself. And then we're gonna go into, I guess you call it a den, or just it's the first sitting space that you see when you first enter a home. That's gonna be today's video. If you enjoy the tour, please subscribe, turn notification on, because every day I'm going to post a different room as we kind of go through the space. So by the time Christmas Eve or Christmas Day come, we be done. So let's go, enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off with the table, okay? The table is from Crate and Barrel. We got it from the Crate and Barrel outlet. You know how we shop, gotta find that deal, gotta make it your own, gotta fit the budget. So we got this beautiful table. It's a black metal table from Crate and Barrel. I styled up with pieces, kind of mixed the high and low together. Most of these decor pieces came, oh no, this came from Target. I got the two larger pieces. These vases, let me show you. Oops. These are the black vases, came from Home Goods. Don't be afraid to go to the kitchen section where they have the glassware and you can find unique vases that you can use just to highlight your flowers. All this fresh greenery is from the grocery store. I think it's from Whole Foods. This mirror, I'm going to put in some closer shots, but this mirror, we found it from our vintage store. Remember I showed you maybe a video or two back where JB and I went to the vintage store. This piece was there. The price was amazing. Honestly, it was less than $100. I'm like, I was so, oh my gosh, I was so excited. It's heavy, it's sturdy, it's a statement. Exactly what I wanted to kind of go on top to kind of finish off the look of this entryway. And of course, remember I showed you guys this? And I wasn't quite sure if I was gonna keep it, but I kept it, and I styled on top of my books over here with the candle. The candle that I'm burning is the Voluspa coconut. When I tell you it's good, okay? So I kept it simple, and at this end I have my coffee table book. Guys, don't be afraid to open your coffee table book. Find a beautiful picture that kind of work with your theme and kind of work with how you kind of want people to feel in your space. Open it up. Use your books. So let me show you a full shot of what it looks like, and then we're gonna go on the other side. Okay guys, so the next space I'm gonna highlight is the room facing the entryway. You guys are familiar with our built-in. It stays styled this way. I love the simplicity of it. I love the neutral tone in the space, and we were fortunate enough to find this beautiful love seat from HomeSense. If you want more detail about it, I'm going to link the video below so you can see what it is. And style up really simple. I think I'm learning my style to just to be really simple, yet still simple but not understated. You know what I mean? Simple but functional, simple but well styled, you know, well curated, you know what I mean? To kind of just match the vibe and the feel. And for us is lived in, but yet still like, cute, beautiful, well thought out. So let's get into this. Okay, if y'all been with us a while, y'all know this space has been somewhat empty with just these two chairs and nothing else. But over time, we're able to source some pieces, some high-end, some mid price point, and created a beautiful sitting area. So the newest piece in the space, of course, is this beautiful love seat. It has the linen fabric, and yes, I kept these pillows because it kind of worked. And I put that I kind of just throw it over the sofa. Nothing fancy. I think sometimes it's good to have some things just kind of just kind of look messy to kind of just give a nice balance to the space. So on this side, I've had my thrifted curtains. I'm loving. And of course, I just kept the tree really simple. And all I did was to add some burlap stars to it to kind of tie in with the entire kind of rustic feel that I was going for in this space. That's that. Then our table, which is on the Crate & Barrel outlet. I told you guys, we put our own marble piece inside because the piece at Crate & Barrel, I think, come with a resin or a glass insert, and we bought it just with the table, less than $100, and add Alex kind of do his thing with it. And the way I styled it was using my Gucci book, my AD 100 catalog. I get this every month. This beautiful piece, this rustic stone, and these beautiful green candles, which I'm gonna light later on in the evening. And that's how I started to take the table to kind of keep it simple, keep it functional. And I kept the chairs. Okay, what I did was put a taller chair in the back and the lower one right here. I think it gives a better balance to see the high go. The eye travel low to high. And the built-in is simply style. I didn't do much Christmas stuff right here. I just add these reindeers we got from Home Goods years ago. So I kept that, and I honestly, this is the way it is throughout the year. So sometimes you don't gotta always change up your entire space, but just add elements of the season in. I have this vintage bowl I just filled with fresh pine cones. That's that. And then also another one. And you know, I have to have that smell good going. So if you have any questions about anything in this space, please ask in the comment section below. This light fixture is from Lowe's. We got it when we first moved in. We love it. We love what the reflection on the ceiling is stunning, and all the trim work in our house was done by Alex, and we love and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was really a labor of love. Oh gosh, my husband has been amazing. You know, he took off time from work to help me source the pieces, to get things done. So none of this could have been possible without my husband. Our boys, thank y'all so much for just helping moving things around. Just also, I'm thanking myself for just being patient with myself and not allowing outside forces to intimidate me or even just, you know, just make you feel self-conscious about certain things. But I am so thankful this Christmas. It's gonna be a little bit different, but nevertheless, it's still a time of celebration with friends and family. and of course the birth of Christ. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video. I'm going to show our dining room and maybe the kitchen. Not quite sure. Tell me what space you want to see next. Or the bedroom. Or bedroom. I love it. I love it. But simplicity, guys, don't allow your budget to limit your creativity. Thank y'all so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Merry Christmas, happy holiday, be safe, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh, don't forget to comment and subscribe as well, okay? Let's try and make the last few days of this year be impactful for Natty Nation.